Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for watching. Today we're going to tackle a random game. If you're new to this, basically what I do is I explain what I'm thinking and try to figure out how to solve it. There's a playlist on this channel. It's called Let's Play Solitaire, with more games just like today's. There's also a playlist with tips on this channel. It's called Solitaire Tips. Be sure to check that out whenever you get a chance. Let's go ahead and get started here. I like to go for the columns first. Looks like there's some small cards we can play. We'll play the 4 and 3, and then we'll play this 5 here. Ace, of course, as well. A little cautious about bringing the low cards down, but we'll kind of see how that plays out here. Obviously, I would like to open up a column or two for the king, or multiple kings. Have not done that. We do have an option here. Now, I typically like to save this as insurance. I would say typically, because all these games are a little different. Sometimes you can find a way, sometimes you can't, and using the same strategy doesn't always work, but it can improve your odds. You just want to be able to deviate occasionally. So there we have there. All right, move the 4. 2 of diamonds can go up. Oh, good. Move this 10 here, and yay, we open up a column. Let's see if it holds. Okay, great. So we've got 2 spots open, so any kings we have, we can just bring those down. And the question is, can we get to this column here, and can we get stuff out of the draw pile? I believe we save 1 card as insurance, did we not? Yeah, we saved this card as insurance. So it's looking up, but we'll see if we can actually execute and finish this game. And I think I am going to play, after looking at everything here, I'm going to play the first card. That is the 8 of diamonds right there. Going to play that. And then the next time around, I'm going to play this king. I'm not going to play the, there's a black 8 of clubs, I believe. I'm not going to play that yet. We can play the 7 though here, I think. Yeah, then next we could play the 6 if we needed to. Yeah, so, okay. Or the 6, there's another red 6. We can always play that anytime we want. So this 8 will be our insurance card. There's the king. Going to play this first. And the sweet thing is we'll be able to get to this ace. So that'll be awesome. That'll help us open up this column with a 2. You'll see there's 2 2s here. We'll end up swapping one of these 2s out. So 7 of diamonds. That's a good card for us. Very good card, actually. We'll be able to put this 8 and then move this 7 underneath the 8. Hey, we don't even need to swap the 2. We've got an ace of clubs, so awesome, awesome, awesome. Yay! Alright, sweet. So king, queen there. 2 of hearts we can move. We're going to move this 3 of spades. Okay, we're looking good. Looking real good here. We just got to figure out a way to make sure we get the rest of these cards down without getting them in front of each other. So we can bring this 8 down and 7, and yay, look at that. We have taken all of the cards from the columns and got that solved, so we just need to get the rest of the draw pile cards out of the way. And there should be an ace of spades in here. We're going to play only the 8 and only the 8. Next time around we'll have this ace of spades to play. We could do it now, but we're going to save it as insurance. And I think we're probably going to need that insurance, but we're just going to be smart in how we play this draw pile so we don't get ourselves stuck. So we're going to play only the ace of spades this time, I believe, and the reason why, or my line of thinking at the moment is, it might change here. I want to bring down this 4 of clubs. That's the whole reasoning there, so. Just got to be smart in how we do this. Okay. So 4 of clubs is the first card. Let's see if there's nothing else to play there. So, oh, there might be. Yeah, we can play this. Let's see, 4 of diamonds, 5 of diamonds. We'll play the 6 of diamonds there, 5 of hearts. Here we can bring down the 7. All right, let's see. We're going to play that 4 of clubs there. And now we're just going to play as many of these cards up as we possibly can. Let's see, 7 of hearts, 8 of hearts, 10 of clubs comes down. And we should have this solved. I'm going to just move as many of these cards up here as I can right now. Up to the foundation pile. And there we have it. Yeah, we're going to get this solved. So pretty sweet. Got this one done. That's one of the quicker ones. Anyway, that's going to wrap this up. I'm signing out. I'd like to thank you for watching, and there's a playlist with more games just like today. Most of those games in the playlist will be much more challenging than today's, but yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and good luck.